We ready?
All right, let me make a quick announcement. You guys ready for some more music? All right. Put your hands together for Charlie, Chuck, Nate, Tom Orestes, their band, No Clue.
Reluctantly crouched at the starting line, engines pumping, thumping in time. The green light flashes, the flags go up, churning and burning. They yearn for the cut. They deftly maneuver and hustle for rain. Fuel burning fast on an empty tank. Reckless and wild, they think to turn. Their prowess is potent and secretly stern. Speed to the finish, the flags go down. The bands get up and they get out of town. The arena is empty except for one band still driving, striving as fast as they can. The sun is going down and the moon is coming up. And long ago somebody got twisted, but he's driving, trying to hug the turn and thinking of something for whom he still burns. He's going the distance, and he's going for speed. She's all alone in her time of need. Because he's racing and racing and finding the course. He's fighting and fighting and riding on his horse. He's going the distance. Yeah! No trophies, no flowers, no black smoke, no wine. He has no device that he can find to blind. Down shaking earthquakes of doubt and remorse. Assailing and failing with monster truck force. In his mind, he's still driving, still making the grade. She's hoping in time that her memories will fade. Because he's racing and pacing, complying the course. He's fighting and fighting and riding on his horse. He's going down, but the moon is pumped up. And long ago, somebody left with the cup. But he's striving and driving, hugging the turn. And thinking of someone for whom he still burns. He's going the distance, but he's going for speed. She's all alone in her time of need. Because he's racing and finding the course. He's fighting and riding on his horse. He's racing and finding the course. He's racing and riding on his horse. He's going the distance. He's going for speed. He's going the distance. Hey!
Let's hear it, everyone. Oh. Hold on, let me get the proper band name, everyone. Let's hear it for No Clue.